Hi, to fix outgoing calls problem on iOS 18, I got several tips for you. So firstly, let's open settings. Here, find this tab cellular, choose it, and now we can try to reset cellular data. So simply tap on the switcher, wait for a couple of seconds, and then tap again to turn it on. After that, go in network selection. Here you would see this automatic option enabled. Just disable it. Wait a few seconds till it would be loading, and then you should see your network provider. So simply tap it to select and use this back arrow to go back. Now let's go in cellular data options. Here choose voice and data and simply choose the best network for you. So I set 5G auto, but we can switch to LTE and then switch back to 5G auto. In your case it could be LTE auto, 3G auto, and so on. Just choose that option and now just go back like that. If the problem still exists, then just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger your control center. Here press and hold the square tab and turn on airplane mode for a couple of seconds. So just give it like 20 seconds to load and then turn it off, and this will help to reset network settings, soft reset network settings. The next thing we can do is to take out SIM card. For that, I'm gonna find my SIM slot, which is located on the left side of the phone. Take this tool, which is called ejector, and it goes in a complete with a device, by the way, but if you lost it, don't worry, this is a really cheap tool. You can find it almost everywhere. Or instead of this one, you can use pin or needle, but be careful because you may damage the SIM slot. Now you can see this little hole. Take your ejector and place it in the hole, slightly press till this slot will pop up like that. And now take it out using your nails or ejector. Just like this. And now we can wait for a couple of seconds, and after that we'll need to reinsert the SIM slot back in the phone. So let's do it. Make sure everything is set here properly. And now let's unlock the phone, and this may help with the calls problem. Now the next thing we need to do is also go in settings, choose general, then software update, and make sure that your phone is up to date. If not, you'd see this blue button update now. Tap it to update your phone because usually updates includes fixing old issues, adding new features, and this may help with calls problem or any other types of problems. And if your phone is updated, then what we can do is go back in general, here scroll down, choose transfer or reset the phone, and here choose reset and tap to reset network settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data. So here enter your passcode, and after that your network settings would be reset if you tap this red button. As you can see, the phone also rebooting right now. This is okay, so just wait a couple of seconds till it will turn back on. And after that, you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi, you need to reconnect your Bluetooth devices, and you need to turn on your mobile data as well. And I bet this will fix all of your call problems and any other type of problems. So yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!